Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anubha and today is day 2 of my 5-day makeup series, and today's makeup look is going to be all about grey tones with a pinch of silver and nude pink lips. And if you guys are excited to know this tutorial, then let's get started with today's makeup look. So to start off, I am using a face primer. This is the one by Wet n Wild, and I'm concentrating it on my T-zone. And then whatever is left on my hands, I'm spreading it all over my face. Moving ahead, I am using a foundation. This is the one by Loreal. It's a mattifying foundation and the coverage is also pretty decent. It's a medium coverage foundation. For my concealer, I'm using the one by Wet n Wild and applying it on underneath my eyes, my eyelids, sides of my nose, mouth, and also in between my eyebrows. And to blend the concealer all over my face, I'm using the same buffing brush. For concealer that's on the eyelids and underneath the eyes, I'm using a small definer concealer brush. To set my makeup, I'm using the Stay Matte Pressed Powder by Rimmel, and I'm using a damp beauty blender to set everything in place. Okay, let's get started with the eye makeup, and I'm using this dark grey shade on my eyelids, and I'm concentrating this color on my crease area and also my outer V area. Now this is not a typical matte shade. It has some sort of sheen in it, so you have to make sure if you are using this kind of color, you have to make sure that you pack on the color on your crease first and then start blending it. That way it is much easier to blend a color like that. I did not have a matte grey shade with me, that's why I'm using a color which has some sort of sheen on it. Okay, so now next I am using another palette. This is also by Makeup Revolution, and I'm using the white pressed pigment and applying this on the inner half of my lid area by using my fingers. You can stop right here, but I feel like adding more glitter to my eye makeup, and I'm using this glitter eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty and applying it right where I applied that white pressed pigment. And this adds a very nice sheen and even more glitter to your eye makeup. After that, I'm going to take some more grey eyeshadow and apply it to mix it well with the silver eyeshadow. And now for my lashes, I'm using the one by Maybelline. It's their Hyper Curl Mascara, and I'm also wearing falsies. These are by PAC. Moving further, I'm applying the same grey shade on my lower lash line. And now I'm just filling in all the sparse areas in my eyebrows, and I'm using this Pro Pencil by NYX. Just taking my time and slowly filling all the sparse areas pretty well, and then setting my hair with a spoolie. Okay, moving forward, I'm going to add a bronzer, and this is the one by NYX. It's one of my favorite bronzers. I'm just going to bronze up my face, my jawline and my cheekbones, and also my forehead and my nose. And then I'm going to clean up my cheekbones by adding a little bit of the pressed powder which I used previously by Rimmel. And I felt like adding some sort of rosiness to my face because we are using a lot of cool tones on the eyes and also on the lips. So this is the Rosy Blush by Faces. And then wiping off the excess of the pressed powder. For highlighter, I'm using this pinky toned highlighter on the high points of my face. With this kind of eye makeup, I think it's important to use a pink toned highlighter. It would go really well with the whole eye makeup. For my tear duct area, I'm using this very sparkly, beautiful shade and applying this on my inner corners and also on my pro bone. And for my lipstick, I'm using a very cool toned pink lipstick. So basically I wanted this look to be very cool toned. Since my last makeup look was all about warm tones, So this is my final look, guys. I'm wearing these very pretty little silver earrings with my grey kurta, and I really wanted to do something very different today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial, and if you happen to recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me in your pictures, and please make sure that you hit the like button, share this video with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you tomorrow super soon with an amazing video, and I love you all so much. Bye.